I am Akram Bati, lecturer in electrical engineering here at University of Bolton. I'm going to talk about this renewable energy kit, which has a wind turbine unit. It has two components, the turbine itself and the generator, three-phase permanent magnet generator. This generator is connected to AC to DC converter to charge a battery, and the energy storage in the battery can be converted to AC supply to supply any AC loads. And the students can use the software, so it is a software-driven experiments. They can do many experiments on this kit to visualize what's happening in this kit. For example, voltage, frequency, current, as well as the performance of the battery, charging the battery. And then the students can use these graphs and these results for their assignments.